In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Barclays Bank account. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is visit the official Barclays website. To do this, type in https://www.barclays.co.uk into the address bar of your preferred web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. It's crucial to ensure you're on the legitimate Barclays site by checking for the padlock icon and the https:/ in the web address. This indicates that the connection is secure and that you're on the real Barclays webpage. Now that you're on the official site, let's move on to selecting the type of account that suits your needs. On the home page, you'll find options such as bank accounts or current accounts. Click on the one that applies to you. Barclays offers a range of account types designed to cater to different needs. If you're looking for something for everyday use, the Everyday Current account might be perfect for you. Alternatively, if you're a higher earner, the Premier account could be more suitable. For those in university, a student account is available, while under 18s can opt for a children's account. If your goal is to save money, then a savings account might be what you need. Once you've decided, simply click Apply Now under your chosen account type to start the application process. The next step is to enter your personal details. You'll need to fill out an online form with your full name, date of birth, UK address and postcode, email address, and phone number. Additionally, it might also ask for your nationality and tax information if required. After you've entered all the necessary personal details, it's time to verify your identity. Barclays will require you to upload some documents. To prove your identity, you'll need to provide a passport or a driving license. For address verification, you might need a recent utility bill or a bank statement. If you're applying using your phone, you may be prompted to take a photo of your ID and record a short selfie video to complete face verification, which helps Barclays securely confirm your identity. Once all the information and documents are ready, you can proceed by reviewing your application to ensure everything is correct, and then click Submit. After submission, you'll receive a confirmation email from Barclays acknowledging the receipt of your application. Finally, the waiting game begins. Barclays will review your documents, and if everything is in order, they will approve your application. Once approved, you'll receive your account number and sort code. Furthermore, a Barclays debit card will be mailed to you, often arriving within 5 to 7 working days. And there you have it, a step-by-step process to setting up your Barclays bank account. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.